Hello and welcome to a special story. I think from every ground we have covered the net bowlers because net bowlers are very important part of the practice sessions. Today with me I have Abhay Tipnis and Abhay. First of all, is this the first time as a net bowler?
No, I've done a bit for the MCC before for test matches here at Lords. I've done a bit in the IPL before as well. So yeah, it's a good experience. It's good to be exposed to these players, I suppose.
Absolutely. So, do you play for a club here, or how did you get this?
I play as an overseas professional for a club in Manchester called Didsbury.
Yes.
And I've played before in the Middlesex League for Winchmore Hill, so that's how I got it through the MCC. So they kind of handpick bowlers that they think could be useful.
So you said you're still living in India. So
Yes. So I play state cricket in India. I've played for MP for the under-23s. I'm based in Delhi now though. So yeah, I'm still based in India. Yeah.
So today you have been called here for the England practice.
Yes.
And you're a left arm spinner.
Yeah.
So basically they were practicing for
Ravindra Jadeja. Yeah.
Ravindra Jadeja.
Which is not a fair comparison on me at all, but yeah.
Tell me something that is there something specific line and length that they ask you to bowl, or how does it work?
I think obviously Jadeja is famous for the fact that he can bowl his top ball and turn it at high 90s, mid 90s. So that's what they're trying to get people to imitate, and no one in the world can actually imitate it. Which is why
absolutely.
So I think the only pointers they would give is, so Joe Root was telling me how I should try to bowl slightly quicker maybe to imitate him, and but I think otherwise I'm very similar in the lines and lengths I bowl because I've grown up watching Jadeja and I'm trying to be as good as he is. So there's not much more leg work to do other than just bowl slightly quicker, attack the stumps like he does. Yeah.
Did you bowl to Stokes as well?
Yes, I did. He asked me, I suppose that was another one. He asked me to bowl over the wicket. I think imitate bowling into the rough.
Right.
Because Jadeja's done that the last two tests. So
yeah, and Jadeja has troubled Stokes. Did you trouble him as well?
Not as much as Jadeja did, no. I think it's really hard to trouble Stokes. He's very good against left-arm spin. I think it's testament to how well Jadeja's been bowling that he's troubling him. So, yeah.
So have you, when you were growing up, did you base your bowling on Jadeja, or?
I think initially, no. I grew up being coached by Bishan Singh Bedi sir.
Oh.
So he was obviously slightly more classical. But I think as I've gotten, through my age group cricket, it became quite clear that he is the best at what he does, Jadeja. So the template is quite clear in what he's very good at. And I think, any left-arm spinner in the world is trying to imitate him. Yeah.
So what all did you do today? Who all did you bowl to, and what was the experience?
I bowled to Stokes, Crawley, Joe Root, and a little bit to Ollie Pope. It was very good. I think as it always is, it's a good way to measure up where you stand as well. Joe Root obviously is one of the best players of spin in the world, so it was good to be able to chat to him afterwards. And the coaching staff's really good. I think Bazball's well documented to have a really relaxed environment. So the coaches kind of know me since the last few times I've done it. So Press Kauthik, Jeetan Patel, it's good to be around that group. Yeah.
Yeah, Jeetan Patel himself was a off spinner.
Yes.
So did he have any words for you? And what was your conversation with Joe Root? You just said.
I think with Joe Root, it was a lot about the angle at which the seam is coming down. I'm not sure if this is too niche, but it was more about
we would love to know.
Side spin versus the trade-off between getting overspin on the ball or side spin on the ball when you're bowling quicker.
Mm-hmm.
And he said it's not the thing you dream about doing is not to get people out in short leg or LBW, but sometimes that's more important, especially on flat tracks. I think challenging both edges is very important. I think you imagine a left-arm spinner or an off spinner like Bashir, he should only be able to get the lefty out at slip or at silly point. But I think Jadeja's done it really well. Jack Leach does it well as well when they get short leg into the game. So we're discussing that quite a bit. Yeah.
Fantastic. And this experience, now that you carry this forward, how does that reflect when you probably play your next game?
Oh, it reflects really well because I think it's such a lower amount of pressure when you're bowling to anyone other than Joe Root essentially. And the margin suddenly becomes so much bigger because against these guys there's basically no margin for error.
Right.
So that becomes obviously very helpful in that sense. But also it's a good yardstick to where you need to be and where you want to go. So I think that way it's really useful.
So what's there right next for you?
Next is my next game for Didsbury, which is for Didsbury up north, which is on Saturday. But yes, going back home, my season there will start, and just preparing for that. Like, this is a good way to prepare for that. Yeah.
So did you have a word with Brendan McCullum or maybe Jitin Patel suggesting you something?
I didn't speak to Brendan McCullum. I don't think Brendan McCullum spoke to anyone today. He doesn't really talk much at all. But Jitin Patel, yeah, generally similar chat about lines, what lines to bowl in England, what lines to bowl on wickets like these. So yeah, very insightful.
Yeah, the pitches have been very flat so far. Probably Lords won't be as flat, but in general, how do you kind of as a spinner bowl in a flat track? Because even if it's a flat track in India, in the 4th or 5th day, spinners will get purchase. But here that's not the case, and also the Duke's ball. So any particular way where you can make the Duke's ball talk on the 4th, 5th day, probably of flat tracks?
I think it's being much more accurate with hitting the rough. I think you're right that it doesn't turn as much as India, but day 4 and day 5 there are still rough patches that you can exploit. So I think that's the go-to for a spinner really, and being able to like control the game even on day 1 and 2. I think a lot of times people overestimate how big a role the seam bowlers play. I think England is quite guilty of doing that, where they think, oh, the spinner's an afterthought.
Yeah.
Whereas when they had someone like Graham Swan, the amount of control he brought to them even in England, or what Jadeja does for India, what Nathan Lyon does when Australia over, I think that role is very important. So it's more bringing control than bringing wickets, I think. And then day 5, if it's working for you, get your 5 or 6 and win the game for them.
Absolutely. It was a pleasure talking to you, Abhay. And as he said, I think a lot of people has been after Jadeja in social media that, Jadeja does not get wickets. But as he correctly pointed out, someone who still bowls in England conditions, that it is more about the spinner getting control than getting wickets. It was superb chatting with you,
Thank you so much.
and indirectly chatting with what's going on in Joe Root, Stokes and Crawley, Jitin Patel's mind. It's great catching up with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.